So I put the rest of the hardware in and I put the strings on. It works. Sounds fucking sick. Except we have some dead frets. So got some clamping to do, and I figured out a really sick way how to get high frets down. So before I file anything, I just realized some have actually lifted, and I'm going to show you how I've gotten them down. I've actually already completed this side of the neck, but I'll do a demonstration of what I'm doing here on this side. Alright, so alright. Crazy glue. This shit's awesome. So what we're doing here, just taking regular C-clamp here, or I guess adjustable C-clamp, but this one I use for frets, so it's already got a little notch in there. You just take the fret wire, just a piece of it offcut, and clamp it down as hard as you can on it. The clamps normally come with these little plastic pieces, and it dents the groove in so you can clamp it properly. And I also have my block, my carpet underneath. So literally all you do, all I'm doing here, we find the high fret, right in the little slot. Gonna squeeze some glue in. And we take a clamp, line it up on our groove, and bring her home. I'm gonna tip my phone and break it. Don't fall, don't fall. Clamp the high spot down. Squeeze more glue in there. Let it sit for a minute. Don't be blurry. It's being blurry. Shaky cunt today too. But yeah, as you can see, you have dropped the fret down. Where are some other frets? I've already completed these ones. And I'm just going down the neck, taking all the high sections out before I level all the frets. There's only a few more to go that are looking high here. And then I can level it, and I shouldn't have any rattling frets. And then we are done. Also built this truss rod cover, wingy. It's nice. Which matches when I get out of here. Matches my pickup covers. All drilled, tuned up nice. Excited, fellas. This phone's gonna get pitched in a sec.